When one homeowner stepped outside to see what was going on, her doorbell camera sprung to life, recording the event as it was happening. What's especially eerie is just below the sounds of the woman's screams are a man's voice saying what sounds like, "I'm sorry." A white car then speeds off down the street in front of the homeowner's porch. While the Los Angeles Police Department did have reports of missing people in that area, none could be confirmed as the abducted woman. Later on, there were no further updates on the case.